Most of the interesting action at the Alcamade's website takes place once a user logs in either as an administrator or as a distributor. In this video, we will be talking about the administrator login. We can access the login from this button. Let's go ahead and log in as administrator. Okay, now we are logged in. A user can go to menu, can go to home, and now the distributor button is turned to admin. And let's go back to admin, and we can also sign out either from here or from here. Now we go back to database here at the back end. All the actions that one can do from here is very orthogonal. Once you learn to operate on one record, then you can do anything just the same way. By the way, this application is written using Bootstrap 3, and it's very mobile phone friendly. As you can see, we can come here and do any things that we could do from there. Let's go ahead, for example, sign out, and we can go ahead, sign back in again from here, and go to the back end and continue doing the admin operations. Let's go ahead, find a record. Let's say I want to look at the Alcamade config records. Let's look at all of them. Yeah, they're all here, as you can see, and we can let's go down and then look at the pagination. Let's go to the second page. Yes, they're all there, and we can select one page or record and look at it and select it. We are here. All these fields are disabled. We can edit it, and then only editable field will be allowed to be edited. So I don't want to edit it right now. I will cancel it and go back to the bigger page so that we can see what's going on. The backend dashboard is in fact a SPA application. Nothing will change. No new pages will be in, except parts of the page will be changed using Ajax. Let's go ahead and look at some operations here. Let's say I want to find a config record that has contact in its let's say, yeah, config ID part. There is none. How about in the key field? All right, there is one which has contact, the word contact in it, so we can select it to see the detail, and then here we can go ahead and edit it if we want to. In this case, I don't want to edit this record. I'll go ahead, let's bring this one back. I'll go ahead and look at another companies here. Let's say company table, and I can go through that. Well, yeah, I forgot to get rid of the contact here, so I was looking for contact literal in company ID, and it couldn't find it. Now we could find it, and we could paginate through different pages of records. We can select anyone we want, and we can look at the detailed record, and here we can edit it. Let's say instead of USA, the address is in, let's say, I don't know, UK, for example. And I will update it. Notice that the record number is 191, or 100, 191. And we will go ahead and find that. 191, where's 191? 191. Yeah, it's here. Okay, let's find it. Yep, it is UK. So we did change it. Let's go change it back to USA. Notice that when I'm editing the record, only the editable records will change color. display indicating that we can change these fields only. Let's change it back to USA and update it. Yes, it is updated 191. This time I just want to go directly to that one. I want to find it. Yeah. By the way, you can find it in all the different fields. You can put by phone number, by email, but by whatever you want. I just want to find any record ID in the companies that has, in the company table that has literal 191 in it. Yep, it found it. Let's look at it. It's back. The address is back in USA. There you go. Now that we have edited some records, let's go ahead and create a record. In this case, we'll go ahead and create a user. So let's go ahead and create a user. We selected the table, and this is a, let's say, Mrs. Jane Jones, and username is I want to use the username is Jane 2685, let's say, and the password is, I'm going to say Red Toyota. Okay, Red Toyota 37, let's say Red Toyota 37. I will put in my own email address here, and then the country, telephone number, I don't know, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Oh, actually this goes here. Yep. And the type is, let's say this is just a customer, not an admin. Active user, yes. Company ID is, if you remember, we edited a company called, or ID number was 191. We'll put it here. Secret question 1, secret question answer 1, secret question 2, secret question answer 2, and go ahead, save the record. Yep, record 141 was created. Let's start again and go ahead and find that record. All right, we're going to go to table users, and let's go to usernames fields and find anybody called Jane. Do we have Jane? Yep, we have Jane 2685. Record ID or company ID is 191. And let's look at it. Mrs. blah blah, and select it. It's there. We could edit it if we want. And for example, it could be, yeah, is it a customer? We can make it an admin or whatever. Let's not edit it right now. Okay, let's go right now and log out and log in as this new user. Remember, our username was Jane 2685. Our password was Red Toyota. What was the number? 37, I think. Yep. Okay, we logged in as Jane Jones Red Toyota. All right, so we can look at view orders for this company. This user doesn't have any orders. They can place orders if they wanted to. Let's go ahead and log out from here and log back in again as administrator. Yep. Okay, this is the admin login capabilities. We have found records, we have created records, we have edited records, and we are at the end of this video. So this concludes the admin user capabilities. There are a lot more, but I guess we're going to stop right here.